In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transpose or flip rows and columns. In Google Sheets, if you've ever had a table laid out the wrong way, maybe with data running across a row when you actually need it listed down a column, Google Sheets makes it very easy to fix. Transposing simply means switching the orientation of your data so that rows become columns and columns become rows. It's a quick formatting trick that can make your spreadsheet much easier to read, organize, or use in formulas and reports. To get started, open your Google Sheet and locate the group of cells you want to flip. Carefully highlight the full range of data you want to transpose. Make sure you include everything you need because whatever you select is exactly what will be copied and rearranged. If you leave out a row or column by mistake, the transposed version will also be incomplete. Once your range is selected, copy the data. On Windows, press Ctrl and C. On a Mac, press Command and C. This places the selected cells on your clipboard so Google Sheets can paste them in a new layout. At this stage, nothing changes yet in the sheet. So don't worry if the table still looks the same. Next, click on an empty cell where you want the flipped version of your table to begin. This is important because the transposed data will expand outward from that starting point. Before you paste, take a quick look around that area and make sure T here is enough blank space for the new version of the table, since the rows and columns are being switched. The shape of the copied data will change as well. Now click the empty starting cell, hover over Paste Special, and then choose Transposed. As soon as you click it, Google Sheets will paste your copied data in the flipped layout. What used to be horizontal will now appear vertical, and what used to be vertical will now appear horizontal. This is especially helpful when you are restructuring imported data, adjusting a sheet for presentation, or preparing information for sorting and analysis. If the result doesn't look right, you can simply undo it and try again with a different selection or a different starting cell. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully flipped rows and columns in Google Sheets using the Transpose Paste option.